Hey art friends, to celebrate the 4th of July, I thought it would be a lot of fun to draw a really cool rocket pop. I hope you're really excited to follow along with me. We've drawn a rocket pop before, but this time we're gonna add a little extra details and also celebrate the 4th of July by adding stars and making it look like an actual firework taking off with the action lines. We're using our pencil, erasers, and markers to draw with, but you can always use whatever you have. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start with our pencil and we'll draw a diagonal line across our paper, going up to the right. And we can also turn our paper this way. We want to tip our rocket pop so it looks like it's taking off. So we're going to turn it this way so that we can draw it symmetrical. This is the middle of our popsicle. So let's first draw, or after this diagonal line, we're going to draw an upside down letter U. And we're trying to make it symmetrical on both sides between the center line. Now let's draw the bottom of our popsicle, and we can also draw the popsicle stick coming out the bottom. So we're going to draw two lines going right with the center, and then we can draw a letter U connecting it. This looks like our old rocket pop. We're going to add the extra detail, the fins on the side. I think that's what it's called. We're going to draw a little bump that comes out, and then we're going to draw it coming straight down. And then we're going to try to draw that same bump coming out and down. Yeah, we can really work on this and get it just the way we want it before we move on to the next step. That's the nice thing about using our pencils. I'm going to draw this a little bit more coming out. There we go. Yeah, like this. So you can pause the video and take that extra time to draw these lines and get them just the way you want it. Then we can draw the curve to connect the bottom. I'm going to make it a little longer and curved in the corners. Okay, now let's switch to our eraser, and we're going to erase the extra guidelines that we don't want to keep. So let's erase. I want to erase the outside of that first shape that we drew. Let's also erase over here on this side, and we can also erase the center line. We don't need that anymore, so we can erase. I keep saying draw. We usually draw, we don't erase very much, but we're gonna erase these lines, and we can erase the center line going through the popsicle stick. Okay, there's the main shape of our rocket pop. It looks really cool. We're gonna put our pencil off to the side and switch to our marker. This part we'll fast forward. We're just gonna trace over all of the lines that we've already drawn with the pencil. Now you can also erase any of the pencil lines you can still see after you've traced over it. Next, let's switch to our light gray marker or crayon or a colored pencil. We're gonna draw the little fins. I don't know what they're called, grooves in our popsicle. We're gonna draw the same shape of the outside of our popsicle. We're gonna draw it curving and then coming down and then curving at the bottom. And we can do the same shape on the other side to match. Let's go over it again and we can make it thicker and also a little darker. Now it's really starting to look like it, at least the shape. Let's add the colors. We're gonna start with our red marker, and we can make it look even more 3D by adding little bumps on these ridges. So let's draw a curve here. And then we're going to draw another curve going over to the other side, and then another curve here. Then let's color everything above that red line. There's our first layer. Now let's switch to our blue marker, and we can color in the bottom layer. Let's do the same thing. We'll add the bumps across the fins. We're going to start here, draw a curve. We'll draw another curve going over to there, and one more. And then we can color everything below that line. Remember, if I go too fast, or especially when we fast forward the video, you can always pause for more time. We can also switch to our light brown or tan color and color in the popsicle stick. It's looking really cool, except let's add darker shadows on the fins. I'm going to switch to a darker gray. Hopefully this isn't too dark. It's a little bit. That's okay. We're going to add another layer on top of that light gray. You can barely see it once we've layered the red. So we're going to make it look darker. And then we can do the same thing, go over the blue so that it shows up better. And we can also use this to add a shadow on the very bottom of our popsicle. Let's also add a shadow going down this side. And I'm using the dark gray, so I'm just gonna do it in the red and also the blue layer, then switch back to my light gray for the shadow going through the white. So it's not too dark. Oh, and we could also use the dark gray for a shadow on the popsicle stick. It looks really cool. It looks super 3D, except let's make it even better. We're gonna add action lines so it looks like it's taken off like a firework. Let's use our red marker and we can draw this action line curving out to the side, and then let's color that in. You can also add extra details. You can change your drawing any way you want. Okay, that looks really cool. We're gonna add some action lines on this side, maybe one over here. Then let's switch to blue and we can add another big rocket line coming out to the side from the popsicle stick. And maybe a little one right here. Oh, let's add another one next to that and next to this action line. Yeah. That looks really cool. Oh, and let's also add stars. I'm going to switch to my fine tip and we can draw little stars. Let's draw a lot of them. I'm going to trace around the outside or draw the main shape and then color it in. Then we can also switch and draw a smaller one. We can also tip them so they're going different directions. Well, you could add as many stars as you want. I'm going to add a few over here and then we'll switch to red and add some red stars too. It looks really cool and we could leave it just like this, except I always like to add funny faces. Now, you could leave this off, you don't have to, or you could change the funny face. You don't have to draw it the same as me. Let's draw it though with the tongue sticking out. I'm going to draw the letter U first for the tongue. And we can draw 2 bumps on top to finish the tongue. Then we can draw a smile line coming out from each side. And then we can draw the top of the smile curving around over to the other side. And we can color in the mouth too. Okay, now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle on the left and a matching circle on the right. We can also draw the highlight. I always like to add little circles inside the eyes. And we can leave those white, but color in the big circle. This makes the eyes look shiny. And see how there's a gray shadow going through that eye? We can use our paint marker or a colored pencil and we can go back over it. Oh, let's make the eyes really shiny and add an extra highlight. And can also draw or use our blue colored pencil to add a reflection on the bottom of the eyes. Okay, we need to color the tongue pink. Let's use this pink and we can color it in. Let's also add pink cheeks on each side. I wonder if we can make it look more like it's smiling. I'm gonna draw it curving up a bit more on each side. Yeah, there we go. Oh, one last thing. Let's switch to our white colored pencil and we can add a highlight coming down the left side of the popsicle. Kind of like how we added a shadow on this side, we can add a highlight on the other side. We can also add it coming down the middle. And we can also add it up here at the top. And we did it. We finished coloring our really cool rocket pop for the 4th of July. It turned out awesome, but I hope you'll take extra time to add even more things, like extra stars, more fireworks, or even more rocket pops. I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.